This quick guide will teach you how to link Revolut to Chime. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have seamlessly connected these two platforms, making your future transactions smoother and more efficient. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Revolut app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you do so from your device's app store. Once you have the app open, go ahead and log into your account with your usual credentials. It's always a good idea to ensure that your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any issues during this process. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several tabs. You're going to want to tap on the one labeled Payments. This is where you'll manage all your transactions and transfers, so it's a great place to become familiar with if you're using Revolut regularly. In the Payments tab, you'll notice a plus icon. This is where you can add a new recipient. Tap on this plus icon and select the option that says Bank Recipient. This will allow you to add your Chime account details so you can transfer funds between Revolut and Chime effortlessly. Next, you'll need to enter your Chime account details. This includes your routing number and your account number. These numbers are crucial as they ensure your funds are transferred to the correct account. You can usually find these numbers in your Chime app under Account Information. Double check to make sure you've entered them correctly to avoid any mistakes. Once you've input all the necessary information, tap on Add Recipient. By doing this, you are saving your Chime account details in Revolut for any future transfers you might want to make. It's a convenient way to ensure that you can send money quickly and securely whenever you need to. And there you have it. Your Revolut account is now linked to Chime. This setup will streamline your future transfers, making it easier than ever to manage your finances across different platforms. Remember, keeping track of your transactions can help you maintain better control over your budgeting and spending habits. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and that you now feel confident in linking your Revolut account with Chime. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Revolut or Chime support for additional assistance. Take care and happy banking.